Hey guys, it's Evan with HBI Auto. Today we're going to be adding a little mod to the 488. It's going to be a diverter valve spacer to give us a little more sound coming out of the turbos. So I ordered these from Black Boost. First off, their packaging is pretty impeccable. In the box you'll get a envelope with some stickers in there and just a little bit about them. Keychain, air freshener, lanyard, and the actual diverter valve spacers. So basically what this is going to do is take the diverter valve and push it out a little bit, and to where when it lets go of the pressure, it's going to shoot the air out instead of circulating back around. Pretty simple install. If you look up here on the intercooler, this is a CSF, but same thing on the stock one. There's the diverter valve. So basically you just unplug it with 3 5mm bolts, and then we'll pop the spacer on, and that's it. So we'll go through that real quick for you guys so you can see. It's been on there. So you have your extended bolts. There's the factory ones. Here's the extended ones to make up for that spacer. You'll take your factory diverter valve spacer. I don't think that there's any wrong way to orientate this, but you can see there where this would usually come up and let the pressure off inside. So now when it comes up, it'll come out this side right here. So we'll slap this in there, and it comes with new O-rings as well. Plug it back in, and there you go. So now you have your spacer on there, and be able to enjoy some more sounds. Really simple, quick install. I haven't really seen anything on YouTube or any other forums about this, but we're gonna give it a shot. Like I said, it's easy, quick install. Once the liner's out of the way, we'll get some sound clips after this thing's back on the ground, and hopefully it sounds awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good one.